Even before the first phase of voting scheduled on April 19th, the Election Commission has registered the highest ever seizure of inducements in the 74-year history of Lok Sabha elections. According to the latest information available with the Election Commission, between January 1st, 2024 and April 13, 2024, a total of more than 12,000 crore rupees has been seized so far. Compare this to the 3,475 crore rupees seized during the entire Lok Sabha election in 2019. Of the 12,000 crore rupees seized this year, 7,502 crore rupees in the form of cash, liquor, drugs, precious metals and freebies were seized across the country in January and February ahead of the official announcement of elections. Drug seizures accounted for more than 75% of the total seizures made in January and February 2024. Between March 1 and April 13, 2024, enforcement agencies have made record seizures in the form of cash, liquor, drugs, precious metals and freebies worth more than 4,658 crore rupees. Drugs and narcotics accounted for 45% of these seizures. In an official release, the Election Commission said use of black money over and above political financing and accurate disclosure thereof may disturb the level playing field in the favor of a more resourceful party or candidate in specific geographies.
चुनाव शुरू होने से पहले लगभग 12,000 करोड़ का सीजर्स हो चुका है। अब ये पिछले चुनाव के मुकाबले कई गुना ज़्यादा है। तो इसकी दो वजह हो सकती हैं। एक तो कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने जो अपना नया सिस्टम शुरू किया है इलेक्शन एक्सपेंडिचर मॉनिटरिंग का, उसकी वजह से उन्होंने ज़्यादा ये सीजर्स किए हैं। और दूसरा ये है कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ भी बेतहाशा पैसा, ड्रग्स वगैरह इस दौरान इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
It is the largest ever seizure made in the history of Lok Sabha elections. It is important to note that these record seizures have been made even before the voting process has started. There are around 6 weeks still left for the election process to get over. Clearly, as Election Commission prepares for the first phase of polls, it will also have to intensify its drive against the use of money power in the coming days to stop any kind of inducements to lure the Indian voter. In Election Commission with Karan Patra, Himanshu Shekhar for NDTV.